Okay, this is Michael Ellis. Now, this is the third part of the how to turn, how to grow gold with Orgonite series. Now, as you can see, um, the iron is radiating out via like electrolysis or something like that, or it's growing outwards into the solution. As you can see, the little white wisps coming off of there. I don't know, the camera isn't picking it up very well. There you go. Or, I don't know, I guess you can't really see it on the camera. But anyways, it's leaving little gold colored deposits on the, oh, there you can see it now. It's leaving little gold colored deposits on the, or precipitation on the bottom of the beaker there. Can't really get a good color with this camera, but they are orange, yellowish colored. I can tell you that much. So I just wanted to leave that as an update. And yeah, so thanks for watching.